The water pressure seems really low. What should I check first?
First, make sure the shutoff valves under the sink are fully open.
Okay, let's check them. The water pressure seems low. What should I check first?
Start by checking the shutoff valve under the sink. Make sure it's fully open.
Got it. I'll check that first.
The shutoff valve is fully open. What should I check next?
Check another faucet in your home.
What if the other faucet works normally?
Then the problem is likely this faucet. Next, check the aerator.
What is an aerator?
Huh. It's the small screen at the tip of the faucet.
What does it do?
It mixes water with air and helps control the flow.
So this debris is causing the low water pressure?
Exactly. A clogged aerator can block the flow and reduce water pressure.
The water pressure is back to normal.
Cleaning and reinstalling the aerator fixed the problem.